everyone, and thank you for watching my tutorial. Today we're going on a vacation, and for that we're heading to the beach. We need slippers and a cold, refreshing drink. In order to make a slipper, I used my daughter's little shoe and traced it over. Then I'm going to cut it out and going to decorate it. Stay tuned and watch all the details. There we go. Two little slippers. I'm going to do just one. Okay? Just one. And for that, we need crayons and the top of it. Maybe I want to do the yellow one. Take your crayons and decorate your shoe however you like. Use your imagination to use different geometric forms, different colors, different shapes, and patterns. Have fun! Now the top of the shoe I decided to make really simple and just added vertical lines to decorate it. In order to attach the top to the bottom, I used a regular school glue stick and connected the corners to the bottom of the shoe rather than on the inside of the shoe. In order to make a glass of water, I drew the outline first, then I connected the two corners and cut out based on the half of that line to make two identical sides. Now you use white crayon and draw white squares to represent the ice cube in the water. Now, since we made a nice glass of water, we need to add a citrus inside. We're going to make a circle or half of the orange. For that, you can use anything circular that you have at home, such as a candle glass or a jar, or you can use a compass if you have one.